Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Learn Arabic with Amin. We will learn Arabic through movies and drama. Today we are in the playlist of Palestinian and Jordanian dialect. Palestinian and Jordanian dialect. And I have in my channel a lot of playlists. I have all the dialects, so you can go and check all the dialects. But today we will learn Arabic through Palestinian and Jordanian TV series. So let's start.
ايش اللي شفته يا دهش؟ ايش اللي شفته يا دهش؟ ايش اللي شفته يا دهش؟ ايش اللي شفته يا دهش؟
ايش اللي شفته يا دهش؟ ايش اللي شفته يا دهش؟ ايش or شو in Jordanian Palestinian dialect means what. What? ايش? What? اللي it's same like that in English. Okay? For example, if I said the book that I read, the book that I read. So that in this sentence, if we want to translate it to spoken Arabic, Jordanian Palestinian, it will be اللي that. شفته شفت it means you saw. شفت alone, not شفته. شفت you saw to a singular male listener. Okay? شفت. Oh, شفته. What is this oh? شفته, this is a connected pronouns belong to the object, to a male object. So oh is a connected pronoun belongs to singular male object. شفته. Now together, إيش اللي شفته? What is the meaning of it? What did you see? Or what have you seen? دهش. دهش is the name of that man. دهش. Okay? إيش اللي شفته يا دهش? يا is a calling tool. We talked about it before. يا دهش, يا أمين, يا John. We can use it before any name. Okay? إيش اللي شفته يا دهش means what did you see دهش. So let's go and take a look to the scene again.
ايش اللي شفته يا دهش؟ ايش اللي شفته يا دهش؟ ايش اللي شفته يا دهش؟ ايش اللي شفته يا دهش؟
Let's go to the next scene.
أنا ما شفتش يا سيدي. أنا ما شفتش يا سيدي. أنا ما شفتش يا سيدي. أنا ما شفتش يا سيدي.
أنا ما شفتش يا سيدي. أنا ما شفتش يا سيدي. أنا ما شفتش يا سيدي. أنا is I. ما is not or didn't. أنا I. ما is not or didn't. شفتش. شفت it means I saw. I saw. شفت. شفتش. What is the ish at the end? شفتش. شفتش is an additional letter we added to make this verb negative. So ما شفتش together means I didn't see. I didn't see. يا سيدي. يا we talked about it. يا is a calling tool. We put it before any name in spoken Arabic or in Arabic in general. يا عبد الله, يا حميد, يا عزيز, يا أحمد. Okay, it's a calling tool. Sidi, it means my sir, my sir, my sir, not sir, my sir. Cd. The ya at the end, e. Sid, it means sir. Okay, Sidi, my sir. Now together, أنا ما شفتش يا سيدي means I didn't see my sir. I didn't see my sir. So let's go and take a look to the scene again.
أنا ما شفتش يا سيدي. أنا ما شفتش يا سيدي. أنا ما شفتش يا سيدي. أنا ما شفتش يا سيدي.
Let's go to the next scene.
كيف عاد؟ كيف عاد؟ كيف عاد؟ كيف عاد؟
كيف عاد? كيف عاد? This is very easy. كيف is how. عاد it means to came. Okay, but the full meaning for كيف عاد is different. كيف عاد it means how come. How come. كيف is how, عاد came, together means how come. كيف عاد. كيف عاد. So let's take a look at the scene again.
كيف عاد؟ كيف عاد؟ كيف عاد؟ كيف عاد؟
Let's go to the next scene.
أنا كنت بحث أنا كنت بحث أنا كنت بحث أنا كنت بحث
أنا كنت بحرث. أنا كنت بحرث. أنا كنت بحرث. أنا is I. كنت was. So أنا كنت I was. بحرث. بحرث. This verb is past continuous. بحرث. So I was. بحرث means, what is the meaning of بحرث? بحرث means plowing, 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 plowing. You know what is the meaning of plowing? Plowing the ground, the soil, as a farmer, okay? So together أنا كنت بحرث means I was plowing. أنا كنت بحرث. I was plowing. So let's take a look to the scene again.
أنا كنت بحث أنا كنت بحث أنا كنت بحث أنا كنت بحث
Let's go to the next scene.
اتخبيت عشان اتفرج اتخبيت عشان اتفرج اتخبيت عشان اتفرج اتخبيت عشان اتفرج
تخبيت عشان أتفرج. تخبيت عشان أتفرج. اتخبيت together means I hid myself and I made myself hidden, okay? I covered myself. اتخبيت. اتخبيت. I hid myself or I covered myself. عشان. عشان. عشان is to. To. It's like in English to remember, to forget, to. It's like because of, to or because of. عشان means to or because of. Now اتخبيت عشان I hid myself, I covered myself to what? أتفرج. أتفرج. أتفرج means to watch. 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 I watch. أتفرج means I watch. I watch. Okay? So together اتخبيت عشان أتفرج means I hid myself, I covered myself to watch. اتخبيت عشان أتفرج I hid or I covered myself to watch. Okay? So let's go and take a look to the scene again.
اتخبيت عشان اتفرج اتخبيت عشان اتفرج اتخبيت عشان اتفرج اتخبيت عشان اتفرج
Okay, this is our video for today. I hope that you all enjoyed it. Tomorrow we will have a new video with another different dialect. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, follow my page on Facebook, and don't forget to watch all of the playlists in the channel because I have all the dialects. So see you tomorrow with a different dialect, with a different video. Salam.